Bam. So what's up, everybody? We're on this Chevy Trax today. Nice red color. And today I'm going to do this discharge hose for the AC. The bumper's going to have to come down. I'll take the light out here because it is in here. It's down in there. So I'm going to go ahead and get on it. Let's get it done. So the first thing I'm going to do is get all these tabs off here. You got all these. Take them all off. Okay? And then take off this cover. First thing you want to do is make sure you empty out the Freon. Have that professionally done. This one was already empty, so we don't have much to worry about on that. See, and that's how that comes off. So now you got the top of this showing itself. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, where all the red is, I'm going to take off these 10s. This is the front edge of the bumper. So let's go ahead and do that. And if you notice on the corners, there's some little 7s or something like that you're going to have to take off as well. And yes, over here, these corners are 7s. Okay, so next, I'm going to get up in here and takes the hex and get all these off, because we got to take the bumper part off here. So this has to pull out. So take everything off from this area on down. Okay, so I got those out. You're also gonna see, here, let me show you on the other side, because you have to take out the screws on both sides here near the tire. Right up in here in this little spot, you're gonna wanna get a screwdriver, take the same socket, and there's a little screw up in there you're gonna have to loosen. You'll see this open spot right there. Both sides have it. You'll see it when you do it. Okay, so once you get that screw out from here, my problem was trying to figure out how to push these tabs. So you'll grab some pliers, and you got to get your hand in there. I just grabbed these, and I pinched it. You can see how it needs to be pinched, and then you pull it out, and that's how it came out. So now this is all loose. I got to do the other side real quick. Okay, so bumper's down, not too hard. This is where we need to be on the bottom here. And you got to follow that upper line and the bottom line, I believe. Yeah. So that's what we're going to do next. It goes all the way here to that area right there, and then the other side to the compressor. Okay, so I got that piece off, okay? Then we're going back over here. I've already showed you that we've loosened this one, okay? Now, I found, stay in this area. You can get 2 hands. See where the ratchet is? Just get in there from here instead of getting underneath the car, because getting underneath the car is a lot harder to do. Yeah, and same thing for taking it out. Take it out from the side here. You'll have a lot easier time than trying to bring it out to the top or anything like that. You'll have to do some wiggling, but all in all, not that hard. Let's get the new one in. So, believe it or not, 2017 Trax, we're actually having problems finding the right hose. Okay, there's this one that everybody has, which it all looks the same, like you saw in the picture that I showed you, as you know, being a new one. These come out different. On the ones they send us, they just come out straight and go this way, both of them, straight like that. You see the picture in the corner I put up. And you see this one, it curves upwards, so I can get it in there and get everything back in there, in their positions, but you can't do it when they're facing one way. And then this small one's not long enough. This one's not long enough to reach how it needs to fit over here, so everything's just crooked. It's a mess. So The customer is going to the dealer to find out if they have one in stock. And we're just going to have to find out from there if there is one. And if there's not, we're going to have to find one probably on Amazon or something. But I don't know. We're going to find out. Okay, so the hose was finally found at the dealer. Got the right one. Okay, but I did not put it in the same way I took it out. I actually did it from the top through here. Okay, I unplugged the sensor if you have one. There's a sensor wire that this hose here has to go under the wire, not over it, under, so it's just better to unplug it. It's very easy right there. But I put it in this way, and I took off this spot for the radiator. See, there's the other side. I just loosened that one. But I took off this one so I can move the radiator to get the block in here, through this area here, because it wouldn't just fit. Because of this aluminum lining here, it's so bent and stuff that it just doesn't fit directly, so you have to wiggle it in there to get this piece in there. So yeah, not that bad, pretty much done. Just gotta put the bumper and stuff back on. And sure, everybody, thank you for checking out this video, and hit that like, subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.